So, your question triggered from when I say, when we touch our hands, they don't touch each other. Okay?
We can fly also. Like our legs do not touch the floor.
Yeah, it is
Science.
technically you are flying.
Technically,
I will explain. For that, I have to explain you everything.
there is like a lot of gap left from when we're touching the foot.
Okay, but the gap is so small that we cannot see it from your legs. But they are
Even smaller than atom.
around, I don't know the exact size,
I think
but
smaller
it's
than.
smaller than atom.
Yeah.
Sorry, the bigger than atom.
Bigger than atom.
Yes.
Atom. But we
Okay.
cannot see atom. We cannot see if it's touching.
Okay, I'll explain you about the Big Bang first.
Big Bang theory and the universe.
Yeah, the Big
Big
Bang.
Bang is first was formed. What was before Big Bang? When Big Bang was not.
That's such a question that nobody has answer to it.
What was when nothing was there? Not that Big Bang was formed. What was that nothing called?
This question is with everyone. This question is baffling. This question is making everyone angry. This people is making everyone think about it. What was there before Big Bang? Right.
What was before the Big Bang? Big Bang thingy. When Big Bang was not formed. Before that thingy, when that nothing was also not formed. What was before that?
Nothing
How
was also
was
not
that
formed.
nothing formed? How was that nothing formed? The black thing.
This is such a question that I never answer to.
Only God can answer.
I don't know if the God is there to answer that. Maybe at that time God was formed.
Oh, no, God was formed much before than this.
We don't know that. Okay, so
God
to
was the
answer
first.
your question, I'm writing all your questions here, okay? What was there?
I don't understand cursive.
Okay,
What was the
before
Big Bang?
Big Bang,
Big Bang theory.
what was there before
The big nothing. That was there.
nothing?
That was formed.
Yeah.
And how these were formed.
How did it form?
All of these.
These questions are so good.
I was not thinking this in many years. I missed like 7 years and I can still read or whatever I will get. That's what. But I have a question. Why is the fifth one? What is the fifth one?
I'm explaining.
Huh?
Explaining everything. Okay, what are the forces?
Five. What is this? Panam? You can't read it.
Yeah, so I have 3 questions right now.
Yeah.
I don't need to show it then. Okay. Our hands don't touch when we touch. I mean, when we bring this together. Okay. Second question is, what was there before Big Bang? What was there before nothing?
Nothing. Yeah.
Okay. And what are the forces?
First is what forces?
4 or 5 fundamental forces.
Fundamental.
Fundamental.
4 fundamental
Yeah,
forces.
which means what happens is when we are sleeping or when we are waking up, we see all the things around and we make assumptions. Okay, it could be morning or it could be evening.
How does these questions make people angry?
Okay, that I would like to write it, but can I not answer it? Because that is not relevant here.
Also, I want to know what is the fifth one everyone is thinking.
Yeah.
Fifth force.
So I'll go one by one, okay? But for that time, if you have a question, you tell me, I'll write it down and then we'll go back to what I was explaining, okay?
But how is physics? it's like part of science. What is physics? What is science?
Ah, okay. That is important question.
I don't know. 2, 3.
What is physics?
What is science?
What is science? Okay, so science. I'll start from science. What is science?
Science.
You are in class 2. Okay, it's very difficult to explain it to you. Okay, but I'm trying my best. If you don't understand,
In
you
which
can.
grade we learn science again?
Huh?
In which grade we learn science again?
Science you're learning now only. You have science, right?
Yeah, in third grade we learn
Right.
how to make things.
Hmm.
In third grade we learn how to make things.
Right. So I'll try to explain science, what it is science, in my own understanding.
In your own understanding.
Yeah, what I understand about it. You can have your own understanding about science.
Also, there is Google. How was Google, Siri, and all other AIs like Gemini also? How were those formed by humans? How does humans know these questions of these and to form the AI? Huh?
So I'm writing a question. How AI was formed
By humans.
by human.
And how did humans know all of these questions to keep in AIs off in the phone? How was that formed?
Okay, so I'm writing how AI knows it all.
With humans forming them.
Yes.
Can't you?
Okay. So now I am just continuously writing all the questions you have, but maybe it will fill up before I even start to explain any of these.
Yeah.
Okay, so what
I have
I
many questions in my mind.
you keep asking, I'll write it down. I'll answer each and everything.
You have to tell the part of each, then the part will go keep on going to make bigger questions.
Right.
Write that question in the
What question?
any question you asked of a part, then any answer of a question you ask, the question of the answer question will become a more of a like a question, so it will become a bigger question till the whole book will become full.
Well, I can hear you whole day. You're so nice.
Okay, write that.
Okay, your question is how do we think about the question and how it keeps on going into the deeper and better question?
Like infinite.
Like infinite, yes.
Insist.
Yeah, but that is something is very difficult to answer.
These all are difficult. Why did you rate 0?
Because this is the origin,
The first one.
the first question from which these things have started up. This is kind of a seed for a plant,
Yeah.
right?
Logic. What is logic? Logic also.
Huh?
Logic.
What is logic? Okay, so I'll explain about science
Science.
because it is important to
First-
know about science before these all.
Why? But this was first one. Why can't we do this one first?
Okay, I'll start from here. To answer this, I have to start from here.
Okay.
That is why I am starting from here. I mean, what happens is when you think about something, it builds the understanding.
Like the stomach acid melting our stomach, and again the body forms like that.
Yes.
But already
I don't know how to connect that, but it is somewhat
I
yes.
already have learned this. I don't know if that's true. But
Okay, that's a very good thing. Science explains if you have some
everything,
understanding,
almost everything.
right? So how science works. First thing is everything keeps happening. Okay, everything keeps happening, and sometimes we don't even know what is happening, right? Everything keeps happening.
Like magnetic force.
Even simpler, like the butterfly is flying, the birds are flying,
How
air is
does
blowing.
numbers multiply? How was alphabet formed? How was number formed? How is there so many numbers till infinite? How is that infinite not even there? how are we supposed to make?
Everything will come here. I'm writing your question. How numbers
Alphabets.
and language
Language. What about alphabets?
form.
Alphabets?
I have just rephrased your question. How numbers and languages formed.
Like ABCD.
Yes, everything.
With ABCD.
Yeah, this is also relevant, but I'll explain from science.
Also, cursive writing. How is that from? Okay.
Everything is answered. Everything will be also answered. Okay. Now, science. I'm explaining science. Lot of things keeps happening around, right? Like air is blowing, some other systems are running there. The light is on. This light is getting on and off every 50 seconds.
Not 50 seconds. Every
Sorry, every 1 second 50 times. Thank you.
No, zero. Like this much. This much.
You tell me, I'll write down.
Right here, not here.
Okay, tell me.
Here, right
Uh-huh.
here.
Okay. No problem.
Oh my.
Okay, tell me.
0.
0,
Point.
point,
0.
0.
Point.
There is no point required.
No, nothing. 0. 0. 0.
Tell me a number.
0. 0.
That's so small that nothing is this small.
1. That much small. That much faster, right? Yes.
Okay, it is 35. Okay. 10 to the power minus 35. This is the smallest thing.
Not smallest in the world. What
This
about
is smallest thing in the universe.
Give.
Nothing is smaller
I will
than
give. No. Some. One thing is like.
Wait, we have to.
Wait.
If we
Let
keep.
me tell. Let me write. To the power.
Minus 35.
No. Infinite.
Oh, 10 to the power minus infinite.
That is the biggest one for this whole world.
Minus is the smallest. Plus is the biggest.
No, division is the smallest and multiplication.
The meaning of this is 1 divided by 10 to the power infinity.
Oh, what does that mean?
Minus means.
I don't know what does that mean.
Yeah, so these things are the numbers and the number system and the arithmetics, the maths around it. We can keep it away for a while. We will keep it somewhere here. Okay? We'll come back here about the science.
But that's our science. That's how the light is. Stop.
Now, we're coming back to science. Okay? The science is, let me explain it to you. Okay? Now you keep your mouth. If you have question, you tell me. If
I
it
will
is,
raise my hand.
yeah. And if it is relevant here, I'll note it down.
Note it.
Huh. And if it is not relevant, I'll tell you, let's come back here.
You have to write that if that's not the piece of this also. I want to know all.
But then this will become so big that we would not be able to explain it.
I don't care.
But we would not be able to know why it is so.
I don't know. We have to on the next page by copying it. What is the problem?
Yeah, but this we can keep doing whole day and we would never be able to answer this question.
Okay.
Hey. Okay?
Not whole day, whole year.
Could be. Okay, now science. Coming back to science. Everything is happening all around.
Yeah.
Can you list 3 things what is happening all around?
We are not touching anything but we only feel it.
Okay.
But for science.
Okay. Next.
Write it here.
That is not we are not writing it here.
And please,
But we are just thinking, just noting this count. Okay. 5 things. We are not touching anything.
but we only feel it. But we only feel it.
But feeling it.
Okay. Oh my.
Next.
basically flying in a very small gap like atom, but bigger size.
Wow. This way,
But atom
we
is,
are flying
is okay.
in the air even when we are walking on the ground.
and feel it of the first
As we are not touching anything
one.
but feeling it. Okay. 2 are done. Give me 3 very simple things.
I want to give what I mean.
Simplify.
Why is this like all and why we can do so?
Yeah, but this is here. Okay. I'm saying the happening things. What are the things happening all around?
Making noise, taking videos.
Now, making noise,
Taking videos.
taking videos.
Like here only. They're
Right,
making
this one.
noise,
Yes, yes.
taking video. That's the same on
Right.
this.
Right. 4th. Very nice.
Like logic. Logic.
Okay, tell me about the 4th point.
Okay. Time. Is atom smaller or air smaller?
Air is made up of atoms. Everything is made up of atoms.
That much small atom. Light atom.
Is this an observation? You are feeling the air. Okay. I'm rephrasing it, okay? Air is being felt.
As if it's made of atom.
Yeah. Now, air you are feeling, it is still not touching you logically. Physically, it is not touching you. Yeah, that is what the first question is. Right? That is the origin, the seed question we had. That even when we are having our hands like this, we are not actually checking. We are not actually touching these. For that explanation, we have these things going on. Okay. Now, give me the 5th one.
This one.
The last.
What?
What you are what is happening all around.
Learning.
Learning, yes. Now, we are done with the 5 points.
5 points. Which 5 points? All of these 5 points.
5 points. Science. I'm explaining you about science.
That was only science.
No. I have started to explain about science. From there, I have made a sub-point of it. Science is about everything happening all around. We are observing those. Now, there are many things happening, right? All around, infinite things are happening together, right? But we have observed only these 5 points.
What was infinite? Invented like nothing was invented.
It is here. We will discuss it here.
5th one. Still the first one.
Right. Okay. So, since our seed question started from here, we have to explain about this now. Science.
Okay, one more thing right here, but it's very simple. A thing that continues everything already I've written and what can be again of the same thing. Right? You were waiting for me outside in the sun, okay? Then I came. Then I thought we are walking. I asked you one question. With this, then all whole thing, then this only happened when I asked you that. One simple question. How many rounds did we do? Then all this has started. Then I came home, you came home. Then we started writing it down.
I got this. This is called cause and effect.
Cause and effect?
Yes.
What do you mean by that? Effect and cause and
It means the question which you ask has a very deeper meaning. And This thing is being studied by all scientists in the world.
Scientists?
Yes.
Scientist?
What is it? Anything which is happening is
Being studied.
actually causing something.
Might be real.
It is real. No? Now this is also another thing. Real, what we make it real, what we observe is the real. If you don't observe, it is not real. This is separate thing.
Okay.
Okay, so now, can you tell me one thing? If you are looking at the sun, if you are looking at the sun or the moon, if you are looking at the sun or the moon, are they there?
Yep, they're there.
They are there, okay? And if you are not looking at the sun or the moon, are they there?
Yeah. Or it's there, but not in the time when we cannot see it.
Right. Can you prove it? Right. Now, in the science, there is one more thing is called, if something is happening, how do we see the repeatability of it? As in, whether it is consistently happening. Okay. Whether it is consistently happening. Meaning, if you jump, you always pull down by earth because of gravity. Does it happen that if you sometimes jump and you go up?
Each planet has a stronger gravity depending on its size. Like Pluto. Pluto has a weaker gravity than Moon because Moon is bigger than Pluto. Moon is like stronger than Pluto, and Earth gravity is stronger than Moon gravity. Jupiter gravity is super strong, very much stronger than Saturn or Earth, Neptune or Uranus. Also, sun gravity, you cannot imagine it, or you can, I don't know, like UI Scooty. The biggest star is not UI Scooty, there is more star bigger than UI Scooty, right? UI Scooty's gravity, I don't know if you can imagine, not like the sun. And the biggest planet in the whole Big Bang theory, I don't know if that's true or not, of gravity.
Right. So we were talking about something which is happening consistently.
Of science.
Huh?
Of science.
Of science, yes. One of the point in the science, we are trying to understand what is science. Okay. Why we are trying to understand science? Because we had a seed question. When we touch our hands, whether or not these are touching. When I said no, he said how. And this is how everything cause and effect happened. And we bring these all questions in front of us. And now we are explaining science. Within these, everything keeps happening all around. We can't see everything. But when we see something which is happening, it is actually observing those. That, okay, these things are happening. Now, if something is happening consistently, over and over, without losing any, what it should happen, it is happening. Yeah.
So, is light faster or freezing faster? If we go super fast, faster than light, like we stop also, everything is freezing. Like that much fast it's up to us. But you have not even moved, and you can see me super fast, or you can't even see me that much fast. That much fast is light.
Okay, light is
This much speed.
no, light is
10
not
to the
this
power
speed.
infinite.
No, light is not this fast.
It's
It is not that fast.
it's slower.
Yeah. It is 2.89. I'm just rounding it off. Around, okay? It means
Light
around.
speed is super fast. Not
Yeah.
in black hole can. Not even
Black hole can
swallow light. Not even light cannot.
escape the gravity of
Nothing
black
can
hole.
escape the black hole.
Yeah. See, the speed of light is around 2.89 lakhs kilometer per second.
That much slow.
2.89 lakhs kilometer. You think it has 3 lakhs kilometer per second?
No.
How much is 3 lakhs?
1 tens, hundreds,
Right.
next, thousand,
Mm-hmm.
10,000,
Mm-hmm.
10,000,
Mm-hmm.
100,000, lakh in Indian language. 10,000 wala. Next,
Okay. 10,000 is here. It is 10,000.
wait,
It is one. This is 1 lakh, Ryu. This is 1 lakh. Okay.
1 lakh is
And just
100,000.
and just the 3 times of this. Just make the 3 times of this,
100,000.
or 1 lakh.
Yeah, 100,000 or 1 lakh.
Mm-hmm.
Next, 1 million.
Yeah, this is where we don't have to go now. This is the speed, Ryu.
1
This is the speed.
of light.
Yeah. 3 times of this, 1 lakh.
3 lakh.
Yeah.
Total, it could have been like almost half of million. Almost half of 10
10 times less and 3 times.
more.
Yeah.
4,000. I mean, 400,000.
Can I write it?
I don't know how many is it.
So it would be 3 tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 lakhs. Kilometer or hour.
No, seconds.
Sorry,
per hour.
second. Sorry, my bad. Yes. Second.